What's up, beautiful people? Michael from Mystical Entertainment Group here. We are at the 2025 Pillars Awards for Greystar. Greystar is a property management company. We've been doing events for them for 7 or 8 years now. One of our very, very high valued clients. Today's a little bit of a different vibe. We're doing a little AV work today. You'll see the big projection screen on either side of me. We did a bunch of lighting, full room up lighting. All the lighting you see in the background is us. We have some awards to present. We have some speeches going on. And then at the end, we're gonna have a 70s disco party right here on this beautiful dance floor that we're standing on. So stay tuned, a lot of fun stuff coming up.